Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Now we are going to discuss about classification and prediction of student performance data using various machine learning algorithm. So we have to predict student performance using different machine learning algorithms. Next, overview of the project, that is abstract. Okay, abstract. Providing quality education to students is the main objective of higher education institutions. The need of identifying students with weak performance has been a rising problem, and most teachers have relied on calculating the average of exam grades. The main objective of our project is to predict and identifying the students who might fail in higher examination. This would prove helpful for teachers in providing additional assistance to such students. The data which was analyzed consists of students' transcript data that included their marks and grades in all courses which were taken from a university. The machine learning algorithm which were used support vector machine and Adabus classifier, and we are implementing both supervised and unsupervised technique. A comparative analysis has been performed on the obtained accuracy results of the algorithm used. This research shows that machine learning proves useful in prediction, but there is a lot more work to be done using this technology. Okay, first we have to take student mark analysis data set. After that, we are implementing two techniques. One is supervised, another one is unsupervised. Unsupervised technique, we are implementing clustering process to convert supervised data. Next, we are implementing two machine learning algorithm. One is support vector machine, another one is Adabus classifier. Our proposed algorithm, Adabus algorithm, give high accuracy with prediction result. Okay, next, flow diagram. This is our project flow. We are implementing two technique. One is supervised technique, another one is unsupervised technique. Supervised technique is like structured data with labeled data like target data set. After that, unsupervised data is like unstructured data. After that, without a target, without a label, is unsupervised data. First we have to discuss supervised data set. First start. Next, supervised process, select and load data set. We have to import student performance data with a structured and labeled data set. Next process is data pre-processing. Is like data cleaning, and after that checking null values. Any null values are there in our process, we have to replace with 0 values. After that, remove unwanted column. Any unwanted column or in our process, just removing this process. Next, label encoding is like changing categorical values to numerical value. Next, data splitting. Our data is splitted into training and testing data. Training data is our algorithm training. Testing data is evaluation part. Next, classification. We are implementing two algorithm. One is SVM support vector machine. After that, Adabus classifier algorithm. Finally, prediction. Prediction is like give any students data. The result will be predicted in which grade is in student marks. Next, second process, unsupervised technique. Unsupervised technique is like without a target and unstructured data. We are implementing student performance data set with untarget data set. Next, data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is same like data cleaning and removing unwanted column and label encoding. Next, clustering. Clustering is like grouping similar data to convert unsupervised to supervised technique. So we are implementing clustering. Clustering algorithm is we are implementing k-means algorithm. Next, data splitting. Our data is splitted into training and testing data. Training is our algorithm training part. Testing data is prediction. Next, classification. We are implementing two algorithm. One is SVM, another one is Adabus classifier. Next, Prediction is like the given data is in which grade, first, second or third. Next output explanation. This is our process output. This is our data set. Our data set contain attributes like student name, assignment mark and individual marks, and finally grouped by mark is our target data, that is grade data. First we have to importing our data set. Next, data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is like data cleaning, checking missing values. Missing values are there in assignment and parent education qualification. Parent education qualification is not necessary, so we have to remove. After that removing process, the data will be visible. Next, label encoding. Label encoding is like changing categorical values to numerical value. Next, assignment mark missing 9 data, so we have to replace with 0 values. Next, after pre-processing, no one values are there in our process. Next, we have to split dependent and independent variable, that is X label data set, Y label data set. This is our data splitting. Total number of data is 300, training data 2 print, testing data 90. We are implementing 2 machine learning algorithm. One is support vector machine, that is 96%. Next, AdaBoost classifier give 97% accuracy. Next, confusion matrix. Confusion matrix is based on like grade is in first grade is like 0. First grade will be predicted as first will be occurred in 40. Next, first grade is predicted as second is in a wrong prediction occurred in second one. First grade is predicted as in third, so this is our wrong prediction. So this based confusion matrix will be generated. Next, comparison graph between 2 algorithms. Next, prediction. In first group. Okay, this is our second process, data selection. This data set contain no target value. This is our unsupervised data set. Next, pre-processing, removing unwanted column, replace with 0 values. Same process are occurred, but only missing in target column. Next, clustering. Clustering is like grouping similar data to grouping 0 first grade, second grade and third grade. Okay, next, this is our clustering k-means result. Next, data splitting. Our whole data is 300, splitting into training and testing data. Next, algorithm implementation. SVM give 97% accuracy. AdaBoost classifier give 98% accuracy. Okay, this one is also first group. Next, grade uses English mark, science mark, social mark and max mark, finally Tamil mark.